Weight loss drink. Whenever it comes to reducing weight, you must have tried all kinds of remedies. Some have proved beneficial for you and some flop too. How to make ginger-clove water. Wash ginger thoroughly. Wash it with clean water 3 to 4 times. Now cut ginger and lemon thinly. Now take a pan and put 10 to 12 cloves, mint leaves, chopped ginger and cloves in it. Also add 2 glasses of water and cover the pan. Then keep boiling the water for 10 minutes. Your ginger-clove water is ready. Drink this water while sipping it like tea every night before sleeping. Benefits of ginger-clove water. Colon lemon is used in this special type of water, which is rich in vitamin C. It helps in burning fat. Apart from this, cloves are also used to enhance the taste of food. The pungent taste of clove helps you a lot in case of sore throat. Metabolism is also boosted by this, which helps in reducing weight. Apart from this, ginger used in water reduces inflammation of the body. It also improves digestion and helps in calming the hunger. The immune system is good with mint leaves, because phosphorus, calcium and many types of vitamins are found in it.